just like Pa always said. When you're working the fields, you gotta remember the crops. And if you forget the crops, you gotta remember to till the fields. Oh, hey, how you doing today? Tractor McDougal here. I've been seeing a lot of activity in the comment section. A lot of people been asking me about, well, what's my morning routine? Come on. Hey, Tractor McDougal. Welcome to my room. This is where I, well, good. What I do here. Saw the last video. This is where it all began. Well, Papa McDougal said one time, he said, you always put in the effort of your co-workers when you're at the precipice of success. And that resonated with me. See, what it comes down to is you always put in the work, but you can never play too hard. And it was at that point when I realized we get some down over there. So, are you okay? You gonna be? Remember me? Oh, it's one step down. Got me apprehended over here. Stay cool, Tractor. It's just like when I was on that chopper that went down in Mogadishu. The Mogadishu Mile. I was there. Mogadishu Mile. Yes! Told me not to spoil your guts. Look at me! Look at me! Tractor! Oh, I'm kind of scared right now. So many tractors. One. Look at me!
Johnny boy, you're scaring the fucking kid. I'm sorry, Tractor. Tractor, you know it's just business, and I run a tight shift around here. By the way, how's your sister doing? So, Tractor, let me tell you, I hold you in the highest respect, but you messed with my boy, Cousin Terry. And that, I can't forgive that. And so, we have to come to a conclusion, somehow. You and I, as pals. You're my boy.
Terry was a son of a bitch.
He may be a son of a bitch, but he's family. And you know something about family, Tractor?
I understand. But at the same time, the thing that you fail to understand is that I was never tied up. He's favoring his right side. That means he has some sort of deficiency or something. Maybe an injury as a child. I gotta slip the left, duck the right, hit him with the roundhouse kick, counter with the uppercut, and then hit him with the old tractor punch.
This motherfucker's with... I'm gonna scramble the eggs, add the cheese, and make an omelet. Sprinkling of sage.
Rosemary.
Tractor, come back, please, Tractor.
Rosemary.
Tractor, you need to rest. Lie back down, Tractor.
Rest.
Tractor.
No. Tractor is
Tractor
no
is
more.
safe.
He's a dream. A phantasm, a specter. I'm not strong enough. I'll never be strong enough to take on the mom. And until I'm strong enough to take on the mom, the job's not finished. I just need to get strong. Never strong enough.
Tractor. You can always be stronger. I used to be a weak man. I've come out here to this place, to this forest, and I learned many things that many men might consider intriguing.
I've just been dealt a bad hand.
Tractor. Even the worst hand, you can count on a glove to cover it up. Feel deep inside you, Tractor. Feel the power of the intrigue, Tractor. You're gonna be the intrigue, Tractor. Come on, Tractor. I'm believing you, Tractor. Come on now, Tractor. Come on, Tractor. You gotta put some pep in your step. Come on now, Tractor. Stay patient there, Tractor. Come on, Tractor. Oh, get your roots in there, Tractor. Yeah, good, Tractor, good. Go, Tractor, good.
Tractor, beat the tiger.
What do you see?
I see light. All kinds. Breathing. There's one.
Yes, Tractor, you see these things well. You see these lives. It's just like the roots. They dig deep and they grow strong. This is the way that you must be if you are to face the trials of the coming wind.
You're right.
Your soul is at ease, Tractor, but your mind still wanders. You need to sit in these woods for 40 days, and then my Tractor, you will be ready.
Ready for what?
Whatever comes next.
I'm ready. I like my women out. Dente.
Kid, hey, settle down, kid. Everybody makes mistakes. I mean, even me. And I went to the barber shop one time as a kid, and there was this time I ordered the usual, the number 5, and she gave me a number 7, and it wasn't the greatest cut I ever had, but what can I say? Cut the scene. So tell me what? What can make you happy? You're my best hitman. What can I do?
Tractor's head on my cock.
Just like my Aunt Betty always said. That I can do you for. Now listen, Hitman, if you need to know a guy, I'm the guy to know. And I know Tractor's morning routine. Listen up. Every night, in the morning at 4 a.m., he wakes up, gets his morning espresso in, heads to the bakery, gets himself a nice pork chop, medium rare. And then he doesn't wake up until a couple hours later, and that's when he goes to the laundromat. He goes to the laundromat, can you blame the guy? He talks to a couple of the broads, he's talking to Becky over there, and I don't judge a guy for that, you know me. But at that point, and only at that point, is when he goes to bed, at about 8 p.m. When he goes to bed, immediately after, he goes back to the bakery with his sister every Thursday, 9 o'clock a.m. And then, and only then, Hitman will get him. Hey, Tractor, how you doing?
Ladies.
Hey, Tractor!
Hey, who did you think it was? We look good as two broads, huh?
Oh, shit. Let's get ready to roll around in the rhubarb.
You might be the rhubarb, but we're gonna break you into a pie!
I'll toss you like a salad, boy. Come here.
Just like the old wise sage said, there are two types of people in this world. Those who race, and those who get erased. Remember your training, Tractor.
It's just like my Mima always said. You can lead a horse to the early bird, but if you don't get the worm, then, we got a problem on our hands.
I'm putting mustard on the next Tractor punch. Dijon. Dinner is served. Dessert? It's the cops!
Oh, what do we got here? Oh boy, Don. I'm gonna have to take you in, bud. Terry? What's going on, Terry? I don't feel so good, man. We were family. I took you to the pork chop joint, man. What the fuck, man? Huh. Hey, just remember what Pops used to say. You mess with the crime, you do the cops. Come here, man. Ah, man, I didn't do nothing wrong, man. I'm a businessman. You know I do business. This is messed up, man. Come on. Yeah, Don. You're gonna have lots of fun in the clinker. There's lots of guys I want to talk to you in here. Come on, man. Let's get going. Let me out of here. The jelly bean. I'm gonna get out of here, Tractor. And when I get out, it's gonna be hell to pay. Go. Sick bastard.
For all your great work, Officer Lucifer, we'll lend you back on the force. Give the man his badge.
See, and that's great, Chief, but there's one more thing I gotta do.
What's that?
I gotta do it my way.
What are you saying, Officer Lucifer? What are you saying to me?
I need to find Tractor McFucking Dougal.
And that's my day.